You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly once and for all in English. Yes, it confuses a lot of people because there are different pronunciations, and I believe this is because it comes from French essay. So the two pronunciations are British English. In the UK, it's most usually commonly pronounced as assay, a schwa sound, not say, with a stress on the say syllable, second syllable, assay. American English pronunciation, however, is the other way around, as assay, assay, stress on the first syllable. So assay, American English, or assay, British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.